You know MLK, right? Everyone does. But check it, there's another hero just because. She's Coretta Scott King, gotta know her name. More than just a wife, she played her own game. Civil rights movement, yeah, a tough, long fight. She was in the thick of it, day and through the night. From Alabama roots where things weren't fair, she rose up strong, showed the world she cared. Coretta, oh Coretta, hear her name ring. More than just a wife, hear her spirit sing. Civil rights movement, yeah, she played a part. From the very beginning with a fire in her heart, she spoke out for freedom, loud and clear. For equality and justice, year after year. Coretta, Coretta, remember what she said. Freedom's never given, gotta fight instead. Marched for justice, sang with all her soul. Believed in unity, making us whole. Tragedy hit hard, the world felt gray, but she kept the dream alive in a major way. And MLK set a standing, a beacon so bright, sharing nonviolence, shining like a light. MLK Day for everyone, coast to coast, on her inner vision, the cause she loved most. She said, freedom's earned, yo, listen to this line. Each generation gotta make it shine. Power for change, that's the key, it's true. Don't just sit around, it's up to me and you. Leadership and partnership, a team so strong, fighting for what's right where we all belong. Coretta, oh Coretta, hear her name ring. More than just a wife, hear her spirit sing. Civil rights movement, yeah, she played a part. From the very beginning with a fire in her heart, she spoke out for freedom, loud and clear. For equality and justice, year after year. Coretta, Coretta, remember what she said. Freedom's never given, gotta fight instead. Coretta Scott King, yeah, star so bright. Her legacy lives on, burning ever light. So stay